morning ritual. Every morning I let the chickens out of the chicken coop, but this morning somebody tried to join the flock. There's a little bird in there. Hey, little bird. A little sparrow or something. He's stuck in the chicken coop. Where'd you go, buddy? There he is. You ready to get out, buddy? Little sparrow. That's a little finch. Oh, there he goes. He did get out. Good job, dude. Alright, that happens. It was pretty cold last night. Get the chickens some water. Come on, drink. They got water in the coop too, but you never know. There we go. Like that. And chicken birds! Come on out, girls. Come on out, girls. Yep. Here you go. 2 girls still in there, huh? There's Chili. That's Chili Pepper. And 1 girl still in there. Which one is it? Frosty morning. First big cold freeze. Oh yeah, she's inside there laying an egg. Staying warm. Alright, girls, say goodbye.